When it comes to protecting your home and reducing energy bills, energy-efficient window replacements are one of the smartest investments homeowners in New Orleans can make. With the city's hot, humid summers and occasional cold snaps in the winter, having the right windows can dramatically improve comfort and long-term savings. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's everything you need to know about energy-efficient options tailored to the unique climate and housing styles in the Crescent City. Why energy efficiency matters in New Orleans. New Orleans homes are subject to extreme heat, high humidity, and intense sunlight for much of the year. This often results in overworked air conditioning systems and skyrocketing energy bills. Standard single-pane windows, or older double-pane ones without modern coatings and insulation, simply can't handle the region's demanding climate. Energy-efficient windows offer a solution by reducing heat transfer, enhancing indoor temperature regulation, and minimizing the need for constant HVAC use. Features to look for in energy-efficient windows. When selecting new windows, look for key features that directly impact energy efficiency. Low E-glass coatings. These invisible layers reflect heat away from your home during summer and keep it inside during cooler months, reducing temperature fluctuations. Double or triple pane. Construction. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, between them significantly reduce heat transfer and outside noise. UV protection. Coated windows can block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, protecting your furnishings from fading and your skin from excessive exposure. Thermal break frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite window frames are more resistant to heat transfer than aluminum and help insulate your home better. Energy Star certification. This government-backed label ensures the product meets strict efficiency standards for the southern climate zone, including Louisiana. Best window types for New Orleans homes. Not all window styles perform the same in New Orleans' subtropical climate. Here are a few popular and efficient options. Casement windows. Hinged on one side and opening outward, these create a tight seal when closed, minimizing air leakage. Double-hung windows. Classic in New Orleans architecture, newer models with insulated glass and high-performance frames deliver both energy savings and traditional charm. Fixed picture windows. These don't open but offer excellent insulation and beautiful views, ideal for capturing natural light while limiting heat gain. Awning windows. Great for ventilation even during rain, they close tightly and perform well in humid environments. Installation matters as much as the window. Even the most advanced window can underperform if installed incorrectly. In a city like New Orleans, where older homes may have shifting foundations or unique framing, professional installation is crucial. A skilled installer ensures proper sealing, insulation, and frame fitting, eliminating air gaps and water infiltration, two major threats in a flood-prone area. Additionally, always ensure that your contractor understands the city's building codes and historic district guidelines, especially if you live in neighborhoods like the French Quarter, Uptown, or Garden District. Rebates and incentives for energy-efficient upgrade. To make energy-efficient windows more affordable, there are several programs available to New Orleans homeowners. Federal tax credits. You may qualify for energy efficiency tax credits under the Inflation Reduction Act. Local utility rebates. Companies like Entergy Louisiana sometimes offer rebates for homeowners who make energy-efficient upgrades. Weatherization assistance programs. If you meet income requirements, you may be eligible for state-funded window replacements and weatherization services. Final thoughts. Investing in energy-efficient window replacements in New Orleans isn't just about comfort, it's a smart financial and environmental decision. From lower energy bills and improved indoor climate to increased home value and hurricane resilience, the benefits are clear. Be sure to work with a trusted local installer, select products built for southern climates, and take advantage of any available incentives. Your future self and your wallet will thank you.